Hi there, I'm Dr. Burnham, and I wanted to have you meet my patient Walt. He's going to explain why he came in and to try chiropractic to see if it would help him out.
Well, I had been going to chiropractor for a while, and probably over 10 years, and I initially had some back pain, and I wanted to try a different chiropractor. And I was intrigued when I came into his office a couple months before. I didn't have chiropractic done. Actually, we wanted my daughter to get an adjustment, having been born and 3 months old, felt it was wise. And noticed a few things in the office that struck my interest because it seemed more naturalistic, and it seemed to involve a lot more aspects of holistic healing. And so when my back got sore, I wanted to come to see Dr. Burnham. That's why I came in to begin with.
Now, I was going to ask you too, that's a good thing that you mentioned that. You brought your daughter in to get adjusted. Why would you bring your daughter in to get adjusted?
Well, I guess through the research that I had done on the website, me and my wife found out that their neck could be out of adjustment because of the way they deliver the baby. A lot of research on the internet about that, and knew that Dr. Burnham could help because he's got 6 kids and he adjusted them all, and felt very, very safe in having him do the adjustment. So that was awesome.
So you came in and your left side was hurting quite a bit, and tell us how it started to feel. What was the changes going on?
Well, the pain basically went away right away, and it was not really, I guess, an issue for me, but over a period of time, more adjustments were necessary because there were other areas in my back and neck that were locked up and needed to be freed. I didn't know this, and that would cause the back pain every once in a while.
Right.
But I'm glad because to come in and know that, because I would have had more degeneration in my neck, which would have caused problems later on. Exactly.
And I remember testing out your thyroid. You had went to a doctor for your thyroid, and I remember testing it out. It was pretty weak, but that's all changed.
Yes, that was one of the other things that excited me about coming in here, is the feeling that I could come in here and have all of my glands tested, find out exactly what was wrong. Every time I asked Dr. Paul a question, I didn't get an answer that wasn't an answer. It verified everything I knew about myself, everything I read. He seemed to know and give you a logical conclusion to the answer and a way to fix it. Yeah, my thyroid was low. I had weight gain problems that were problems. I knew my thyroid was low. I had them tested. I knew my adrenals were gone. I had a panel blood test done on all my system before I even came in here, so I knew it was up. I didn't tell Dr. Paul. He told me, and it verified everything that was tested. So I knew he was on the right track, but he had a key way of healing me, which was awesome. And I feel much better now, and feel like my whole body system is actually working in harmony because nobody else could do that. It will fix one little problem at a time. Well, maybe that was created by another problem. Yeah,
it's a vicious cycle.
And you don't know where to start.
Yep, exactly.
But I think I felt Dr. Paul knew where to start.
Yeah, so if something is common with what you're dealing with, and you've been told you need to take thyroxine, or you're going to have low back pain, or it's just not going away, or whatever it is, you might want to come and get checked. You might want to come and see if your spine is healthy, and also get yourself tested for nutrition and see if your body is balanced out. So thanks, Walt. Thanks for your time, for coming in and helping people out.
You bet.
Thanks.